Hi, I'm Brian. I'm going to show you how to change a bulb on your high mount brake light on your Honda Odyssey. It's harder than you'd think. It's tricky, but it's not harder than you'd think. Let's do this.
Brian's Mobile One.
Tools needed. Flat screwdriver, you need a Phillips screwdriver, and a little tenacity and finesse. If it helps, put on gloves. In fact, wearing gloves is the #1 thing you can do to help keep oily fingerprints off the bulb. What's the big deal with oily fingerprints anyway? Well, just like you have fries that are cooked in oil, the oils on your fingers aren't hot when you touch a bulb, but the bulb gets hot because it's bright, especially if you're in stop and go traffic with a brake light like that. It's bright, it's hot, try to keep it clean. You got a little slit right here, a little slit right here, and you pry into those. You put your screwdriver right into it and just roll that back, and it will come out. And it's just like that. You've got a little sail on this side, a little tab on this side that holds it in, and that's what pops it out. You can see the hook is on the inside. Do it again. Once you have these off, you'll find a Phillips screw on each side. What kind of bulb does this take? Stay tuned, I'll show you. Really coarse threads. It helps if you pull back on it. You don't have to, but it helps. Once you get it out this far, start to be careful. Put your thumb in one side, turn this down, turn this one down. That's a hard no. And then you turn it around to the back, and you'll see that there is a little light plug. Turn it quarter turn. Woo, it's melted. Pull that out. You're going to shake out any glass, any debris or anything that was in there, and then just rest it against the glass. The bulb it takes is a 921. If you have a commercial account and you can buy these in bulk, do. The 912s and 921s are really common for marker lights and brake lights. So this is just a push fit. And you can see there's a little melting that happened here. There shouldn't be anything touching that. As the bulb was wearing out, it got resistance and made a hot mess. So that's looking a lot better. You can see on the bulb it was making that melt right there, and it was also melting on the other side. Probably this has been changed and then they didn't adjust the contacts, and that's what caused it to get hot. So we just put this one in, and because this is incandescent, it's not LED, we can put it in either way, it'll work fine. Boy, that is not holding on as good as you'd like. I'm going to tweak this one just a little bit. If your receptacle's loose, then the bulb won't make good contact and you will have problems. You'll hear about it soon. I'm going to bend that one in, bend that one in. Because the gate gets shut hard, slammed if you will, you got to make sure that these are tight or else the bulb will work loose. Alright, we take our bulb, put it in there. This melted because that connection was loose. That creates resistance and heat. Twist it in. Make sure that you're clear. You don't have any mice, dead birds, who knows what could be in there. Put it in, and then we're just going to put our screws back in. When you go to start your screws in, make sure that you get them nice and straight in. So look at the angle of the hole and everything, and just go straight in. So on these, it's not level. Tell your screwdriver should be slightly raised. You're welcome. That'll save you all kinds of hassle and stripped stuff. Snug it up. Get this in there. Remember, the outside goes in first, and then you click in the inside. And they do not want to go easy. You think you're going to break it, and then it's just okay. The more you get it secured into the one, the better. There we go. Let's see how it works. Let's push the brakes. There you have it. We've got brake lights. Subscribe if you wanna. I would.
Bonus footage at the end.
Thanks.
Way to go.
Thanks for your help. It's all good, man.